You can help a child learn about animals by talking about how they are alike and different. For example, if you see a dog and a bird, you could say, "They are both animals. How are they alike?" The child might say, "They both make sounds." You could say, "They both have eyes." Then you can ask, "How are they different?" The child might say, "A bird can fly and a dog can't." You could say, "A bird has feathers and a dog has fur." You can do this with any two animals. This can be a fun way to learn about the different characteristics of animals.